Imphal da leiriba Isbt ase matamga chunaba maong semgatuna world class transport hub ama oihanaba lengaki chap chaba fidep lei haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokhrei. Wafam ase Imphal Interstate Bus Terminus Isbt nauna mathau tawhanaba amade Jiribam Kakching None amadi Frajol District ke District Transport Office sing hangdokpagi thorom da mahakna phongdokhibane. Kuman lampak ta leiba Isbt complex da ngasi pangthokhiba thoram aduga mari leinana Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na hai Imphal gi Isbt ase ngasidagi chahi taragi mamang kumja inglising taraga mathoida sanga khibane haukiba chahi tararom asida khudong chadaba phibam kaya lekhibidagi Isbt ase mapung fana mathok tawbang hamdara lerakhibane ngasi nahongna na Isbt ase recommission tawduna mathau tawhanba horokpa ase afhaba khudam amane masigi damak transport department bu thagatle Surface transport haibase lamdam amage economy amade social development ki yamna maru oiba yumbi amane state amada matik chaba Isbt thamba asina tongan ba mafam singda chatkadawriba miyamda safana chathok chasin tawbada achauba ngaklo ama piribane miyamgi lan tekta kaida ningthina thamba haibasida aikhoi khudingmakke achauba thodang lei public asset sing ase miyamgi selna sem sabani haibase aikhoida kaidonungda kawdaba fai Miyamna sizinanaba thamliba mafam sing luna na tekta kaidana thamnam honase haina magna makha takhi.
I appeal to people of Manipur to treat the Isbt as their own, keep it neat and clean. Let's maintain its cleanliness together, respect its facilities, follow rules and protect it from misuse. Public assets are built with public funds and these are public places. 24/7 we can't put the police there to check and all. So we have to be together in understanding it's an asset for all of us, has to be kept like that by participation of the people also. Let this recommissioning of Isbt be a reminder that when institutions function effectively and citizens participate responsibly, progress becomes sustainable. The recommissioning is only the beginning. The state government remains committed to undertaking sustained efforts to upgrade Isbt Imphal into a world-class transport hub, equipped with modern amenities, enhanced safety and passenger-friendly services in the times to come.
Thauram aduga mari leinana Transport Department gi Director Khumanthem Dainana hai ngasi nauna recommission tawriba Imphal gi Isbt ase miyamna isagi lanni khallaga ningthina thamnaba honase Isbt ase taru tanana thamnaba honabada mateng pangbiyu aikhoi gi khunai gi fajaba sing ado mapaldagi lakpa mi singda utuna iramdam ase yaifaba lamdam ama ohenminasi haina mahakna makha takhi
akhoi gi infrastructure asi sorok bu oire government ki building bu oire school bu oire Isbt bu oire akhoi gi public money na sajabani sajakhibani akhoi isagi property ne khanbiraga sida amot pa thabak tawbidaba amot pa akai hundopidaba adagi akhoi sida toilet na chingba marang kaina thamjare aduga even dustbin na chingbu su thamjari duna amot pa da oire shu cha ama thapiramaga su khoi masam masai mafam na tawbiraga di akhoi na dustbin collect to honba adagi sendo honba da yamna khoi da convenience oi aduna luna nana thamba yagani aduga miyamgi mamangda civic sense ama khoi gi Manipuri singse yamna clean oi civic adagi sumaina lei habi culture ama su mayamda utsi haraga Isbt se ngasi dagi mathau to bo hauraga shu khoi gi molan bidana ba haibase yam kanna appeal tawzaningi hauzik khoina tata truck mayam khoina amor pa mayam khumdoga hauzik phau si phibam yobirei se amuka hanna khoina mayam gyan puna tamina dragadi amuka hanna keno amuka it will be back akhoi amuk keno torokpe amuk kai toshin basi tawbiganu haibado haizaningi
ngasi gi thauram aduda Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Isbt Imphal official oina recommission tawbaga loinena Jiribam Kakching None amade Frajol District ke District Transport Office sing online gi khuthangda official oina hangdokhe tungda tongan ba district mapanda chatkadaba bus taragani thoishu Governor na official oina lapthakhe Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla amade Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Baspai na Chief Case amade President oina saruk yakhiba thoram aduda hanagi Transport Minister Khasim Basum yauna lengaki makok thongba official kaya su saruk yakhe